Hi everyone, welcome back to Create Every Day in April. Today is April 19th, 2018, and today we're going to be playing around with some jewelry, some statement earrings as Walmart calls them. I'm just going to quickly share with you what we'll be playing around with. Not all of these, but I just want to show them to you. I grabbed these from Walmart for $1, and it was right after Easter, I believe. Right after Easter, I think it was. So that was yellow, and this is a pink color. I like that pink. And I really love this. This is like my favorite piece that I purchased. It was $1 as well. Even though it says $2, they were really $1. And I thought that I could take these apart and use these on different pieces like that. So I thought that would be really cool. And then these right here. Now the last two pieces, I thought I paid good attention, and I could have, but maybe they got banged out in the cart. My little roommate was playing with the stuff in the cart, so maybe they got banged out. I'm not sure. But you see right here, it's missing pieces out of there, which is not bad because I can always pull these up around there. I can find replacement pieces. And for $1, I mean, it's okay because I really just want to take the earrings apart and reconstruct them. I also purchased a green pair that I've already started to take apart, so it's a little bit less cumbersome for me. And then I got some jump rings, and these jump rings are from online. Having some technical difficulties there. And I think it's 100, maybe 300, I'm not sure. I got these way before everybody started doing their haul videos from AliExpress. One day I was typing in the search inexpensive findings, and this came up. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to sort out some gold jump rings, and you can do this yourself. If you have some wire, you definitely don't need to purchase these. I am not good with making these little loops. That's one thing I'm not good at, and I've always can't speak this morning. I've told a lot of people that that's one of the things I need to work on, is making my little loops. So what I want to show you is that I took the bottom portion off of the green pair of earrings, and I took the fish hook off because I don't have any gold material at my disposal. And this is how it looks now that I've taken off that piece. And now what I want to do is I'm just going to attempt to curl it back over, and I'm going to put that jump ring in there because we're making it a little bit longer. And so what I am doing with this piece, this earring in particular, is just taking it apart. Instead of having one pair of earrings, I'm going to make 3 pair of earrings. Not today, but that's the goal. Let me know in the comment section. I know some of you are amazing jewelry makers. If Deb Hoke, if you're not subscribed to her, she makes amazing jewelry pieces. We did a collaboration last year, jewelry in September, and I was just making simple earrings. You see I screwed that up because I was talking about Deb and her amazing earrings. I was supposed to put this jump ring on. And, you know, she is a professional. Like, her earrings are professional. Not just earrings, her jewelry is so beautiful. Like, she's definitely someone that I admire when it comes to creating beautiful works of art. And so now you have your little finding at the bottom, you have a finding at the top, you have your jump ring, you have your finding jump ring, and then we have these little loops, the hooks that I took out of the original pair of earrings. And I'm just going to take these and curl it over. I always like to have a jump ring in between. I don't like to have it just like that. I'm not sure why, but that is just something that I do enjoy putting together or creating is putting it with a jump ring. Now, my only issue with the jump rings sometime is that, and I'll show you on this one, you know, you do get what you pay for, and that's something that you have to keep in mind. But you see right here, the camera won't focus. Right here is not connected. So what I normally do, and I'm not sure if that's right or wrong, I just take it and these are flat pliers, flat nose pliers, I believe that's what the name of them are. And I just squeeze it to make it flat, to make them like touch, just like that. And then now we have a beautiful pair of green earrings, and how fitting for the spring and summer months. We're also going to do a pair of silver earrings just so you can see the entire process. And this one actually has some backers on there to help with your earring not falling out. I remember in my younger days, I had went to visit my best friend in Georgia, Augusta, Georgia. No offense to anyone that lives in Augusta. It is so boring there. Or maybe because we were like homebodies and we didn't go out that much and party. But we went out to a nightclub and I had on these big giant earrings because I thought at a certain point in my life I was just like into random jewelry. And so now what I'm going to do is just stick this in the loop if I can and pull it out. Maybe that's the other side. And I can't really do what the jewelry people tell you to do, jewelry makers, which is twist it out, because I don't want to twist it because I can't see the end of it. So I just plopped it out. Let me redo it. So anyway, I'm dancing, you know, I'm thinking I'm doing a good job. I'm cutting the rug and my earring falls out, right? And so these earrings, they didn't cost a lot, but they weren't inexpensive either, right? So it pops out and I squat down to get my earring up off the dance floor because I want to take everything that I brought to the club home with me, right? Why does this guy come up and start dancing with me? So my best friend is there and our other friend is there, and they're like, "Oh, look at you, Brad." I was like, "No, I dropped my earring." They was like, "No, it don't look like you dropped your earring. It's like you dropping it down low." I was like, I can't with y'all. No way, Jose. And this was a long time ago. At least, oh my goodness, 10. I'm opening up this fish hook earrings, and I believe that these came from a big box store in America. I think Hobby Lobby. In my opinion, Hobby Lobby has a good value for their jewelry pieces. You can also, if you're on a budget and you don't want to order online, Walmart, in my opinion, does great as well. And I'm going to cheat really quickly like I showed you on the other one. So all I'm going to do is I am going to... Actually, I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to show you the proper way to attach the jump ring, just in case you're interested. And so now all I'm doing is folding this over into that little loop to try to protect it. And these earrings also say hyperallergenic, so they would be good for anyone that has allergies. I'm not sure if I really trust everything that says hyperallergenic, because I actually own some earrings from Walmart and I only wear them for like 20 minutes. So like whenever I go to parties or whatever and I'm wearing an inexpensive pair of earrings, I will just put them on in a car once we get to the place. And then as soon as we leave, I'm taking them off because my ear's already red. You can feel the earlobe boiling almost. The things we do for fashion, right? To be cute. Yesterday, my boyfriend sent me a text message. He is crazy. Like, he thinks that he's a comedian. I'm having a bit of an issue with this one. He thinks that he's a comedian, but in my head, he's not that funny. So he sent me a picture of this outfit. He's like, I'm gonna get this for your birthday. The outfit was totally inappropriate. And so he said, you didn't like the outfit? I was like, oh no, I loved it. It was beautiful. I'm not gonna wear it. Even if he was to buy that junk for me, I'm not gonna wear it. All right, so here we go. This is why I struggle with jump ring making. So now what you need to do is take your jump ring finding. You want to take one end like this and another end like that. And let's see if I can't clear this up because this camera wants to record everything. So you take it just like that and you do a twisting motion, not a pulling, but a twist. You see, you just twist. And we'll do this other one. I think for me, jewelry making does get me close to where my mom and I used to create jewelry, but it also is very calming. Like a lot of crafting things that we do is very calming, but I think jewelry making is definitely one of those things. And it's a very concentrating, for me, you have to concentrate. Like if you're creating something that you've never done, it's very something that you definitely want to concentrate. So now I'm just going to put all the stuff that I want on this jump ring right here. And I'm going to do the exact same twisting motion that we just did, but backwards. Just like that. All right. And again, I take this piece and I flatten them together. Just so the pieces are not rubbing against your ears and making them hard or scratching your skin. So there we go. Now we're going to do the exact same thing once more. You have your jump ring. You have your piece that you're going to put on there, and then you have your finding or your fish hook. And they're all there. And you take them and you twist. You don't have to twist both of them. You can just twist one end if you like. But I tend to try to twist them together and make it look or feel easier for me to get them together quicker with no issues. And there we are. Now, instead of having one long pair of earrings, we have a pair of pink peachy color and we have a pair of green. So here's our second pair that we created, and you can't really tell that they're pink, but they're very pink, a pale pastel pink. I got these, I think I already said this, but I got these, all right, there we go, and some green ones, and they originally looked like this as one whole pair. I know some of us like dangly earrings. I am one of those some of us's. But sometimes, you don't want to be too bold and fashionable, so you can take it down. You have one large, medium, and small. So in another thing, maybe we'll make these into something. I can see this being some pieces of bracelets to go on there, like charms or something, or maybe a charm in itself to go onto another form of fashion. But right now, as it stands, we have these two cute, quick, fun, easy little quick earrings. And say if something was wrong with one of your other earrings on this piece, you could always break these down and make them into smaller sets. So I hope that you enjoyed. Until tomorrow, happy crafting.